Hello, this is a Flagstone patio we did many years ago. We restored it, acid washed everything, power washed all the old sand out, and put some new nitro sand, resin based. Awesome product. It gets really hard after it's activated and it looks really nice in the joints. And we also had to repair the waterfall. There was a family of chipmunks and rabbits living behind it, and they had a home and dug a hole through the liner. It all had to be replaced. And we also cleaned the rocks and whatnot. Got it looking new again. It's a pondless waterfall. There's 55-gallon drums buried behind it, 8 of them, to a reservoir. It filters down through the rocks, through 4-inch pipes, through the 55-gallon drums, and back up to the top. Still looks good after 14 years. And we also did a fire pit for him. ateamhardscapes.com. Let us be at your house next. Thanks for looking.